Okay, now let's talk more in the unit circle, which is the following. Okay, which is the following. Now, look, this angle is from initial side is on x-axis, then you rotate up to this far. At a certain point, what you have is x coordinate is 4/5, yeah, which is here, see? Okay, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4/5. And then y is 3/5, 1, 2, 3/5. Okay, so then you know sine t is y coordinate. That's 3/5. Cosine t is x coordinate, 4/5. Okay, the first observation is that you rotate from here to here. The terminal side is right here. You might do one more circle. You may do start from here, rotate, not stopping here, and rotate one more circle. That's 2 pi. Still arrived at this position. You still get coordinate of this point is 4/5 for x. Y coordinate is 3/5. Okay, so you see those two angles, t and t plus 2 pi, they will have the same x coordinate, 4/5, and y coordinate, 3/5. Y coordinate is sine, so you see they are equal. Okay, if you add 2 pi here, they are equal, because the xy coordinates are not going to be changed. Of course, here you did is positive one circle. Okay, you may say, how about I rotate from here and then start to rotate in the negative direction for 2 pi? It's going to work. So minus 2 pi is still going to work. And you can do more than one circle, so 4 pi is going to work, 6 pi is going to work. So remember those two are equal. Okay. Now, let's consider the negative direction. Okay. From here, you say, if I rotate up to here, that's positive t. But if I, starting from here, rotate up to this place, I have a negative t. Yeah, with the same amount of the angle, but direction is different. So then what we get is x coordinate is still the same. You see it's still here. That's 4/5. But y coordinate, you see this is negative direction. So y coordinate is negative 3/5. So negative sine negative t, if you look at y coordinate, that's negative 3/5. Okay, and then cosine negative t, you want to look at x coordinate, that's 4/5. Okay, yeah, so that will give us sine negative t, cosine negative t. So right down here you can see clearly is that cosine positive t is 4/5. That's x coordinate. But cosine negative t is still 4/5 positive. So you have a cosine negative t equals cosine positive t. Okay. And here sine positive t 3/5, sine negative t is negative 3/5. And then you can say sine negative t is negative sine t. That's different, those two. Okay, cosine negative t equals cosine positive t. But sine negative t down here is negative 3 over 5, but here is positive. If you put negative in front of it, then they will be equal. Okay, so that's why you have a sine negative t. You put a negative in front of it, negative in front of it, then they will be equal. So then sine negative t equals negative sine t. This is true for in general. Okay. Now you probably remember that. You should remember probably is what? Sine is y, cosine is x coordinate. You know, if you're using sine negative t divided by cosine negative t, you get tangent negative t. Okay? But this side, since they are equal, and then negative sine t over positive cosine t, you still get negative. And then sine t over cosine t is tangent t. So here you have a tangent negative t is negative tangent t. So it's like sine. Sine negative t is negative sine t, and tangent negative t is negative tangent t. Cosine negative t is just cosine t. Okay? So from those two pictures, we get all those 1, 2, 3. Now, let's consider this picture. You know, this picture is from here. You rotate from initial side to the terminal side down here. You may say, let's add another 180 degrees. So the terminal side comes to be here. Okay, so that's why it's going to be right here. Yeah, you see I marked. And that's t plus pi, or t plus 180 degrees. Now then, you know, here was 4 over 5, 3 over 5. If the point is down here, then x coordinate is negative 4 over 5. Y coordinate is negative 3 over 5. Okay? So, then what is sine of this angle? Sine of this angle is t plus pi, or pi plus t, whatever you want to write. Yeah. And for sine, you want to look at what? You want to look at y. That's negative 3 over 5. For cosine pi over t, you want to look at x coordinate, negative 4 over 5. Okay? Alright. Now, after you get that, then you want to compare the relationship with the original one. You know, originally was sine t equals 3 over 5. If you add an angle 180 degrees or pi on that, then you have a previously was positive 3 over 5, now it's negative. Yeah. So if you put negative in front of it, then they will be equal. Those two will be equal. So sine pi plus t is negative sine t, because sine pi plus t is already negative 3 over 5, and sine t is positive 3 over 5. So if you put negative in front of it, then sine pi plus t equals negative sine t. That's what I wrote here. Sine pi plus t equals negative sine t. That's the reason. And this is true in general. Also called formula. Cosine pi plus t, again, is, look at here, is negative 4 over 5, but cosine t was 4 over 5. So if you put negative in front of it, those two will be equal. That's why we have a cosine pi plus t equals negative cosine t, or right down here, cosine pi plus t equals negative cosine t. So it's from those two pictures. Okay, so we get that. You see, I marked.